tonight, I'm gonna finish it off right away. Let's try again. Tonight's the night, I'm gonna finish this off right away. I'm not gonna do a fifth one. This is it. I'm actually gonna do the last bit of it for like fully 10 minutes. I'm not even gonna do the background this time. Just a rocky floor there. And you foresee B in front of you. So, I'm already gonna finish this off right away. I'm about to do like 3 more colors, and that'll be it for tonight. Also, I already know I played the Wacky Racers music before or not, but it's suitable for this moment in time. 9. As I was saying in the last video, there are certain Kirby games I like to play as soon as possible, once I own them, of course. But I won't spoil the next surprise until the 11th, what type of hero I should use for, well, save the game anyways. Taken. And this could be a male or female. You won't know in time. It'll be a big surprise. It's gonna be an interesting crossover. I already thought of a good one. It's too bad you don't even know what it is. You just have to wait and see in a few more days. To my own brilliant mind, and on what sort of crossover ideas I come up with is very uniquely, and the word for it, improving in the pointage and timeline. Well, basically I only do like heroes versus villains kind of thing. I think I already did like a hero versus hero before, besides a frog versus a kid from Japan. You pretty much know what I mean, right? I mean, those of you who looked it up, you pretty much know what I'm obviously explaining about. Spray versus yeah. I might not pronounce it right, but what can you do about it? I'm already gonna get this done with in a few minutes. It's tonight. And then I'll do some other interesting work of art. Testing of the pink-haired one. I really promise this time. Anyways, I can't think of any of good old NES games right now. Classical boss musics, like this one. Very catchy to listen to. Plus, I never played it as a child and never got past it about using cheat codes. I do remember watching the cartoon of it. It's been rebooted before, which nobody knows existed. It's very, the word for it, logically fair to be almost the most kind of barbaric cartoons that have been rebooted countless times. Do you mean like the Scooby-Doo ones, or most likely the Smurfs? It's very much, the word for it, bloody tacky about them. on how much bundle of cash they know what to do with them. When they're running out of ideas, they always have to find a way to work for it, redesign them, or not. Either way, they just know how to spend all what's of its worth from rebooting an old show. Probably once, twice, 3 times, 4, 6 more times. And you'll be like, okay, we're getting tired of these reboots. They need to come up better and newer ideas, or we're gonna be bloody watching something else for a change. If you know what I'm saying, right? But seriously, I'm just gonna be done with this right away, and I'll find something interesting. I want to do 6 more. 4, 5, 46, 47, 48, 49. Yep, that's good enough. Now what I'm gonna do is boxing gloves too. Just like reuse, but different colors. Yep, I'm just done for tonight. I am just not gonna do more of this. Whether you like this or probably not. The closest thing you get to see me do a interesting crossover and keep on using this puppets a few more times. Probably did it like 15 or 16 times now. Most likely part of it. Still like this creepy puppet from Brain Dead 13 is really need to be in DeviantArt. I mean, those of you are watching this, and most of you are deviant artists out there watching, make this provable things and to make get knowledgeable. And I'm gonna play this music one more time. You know, this one's done by a company of Atlas. By it, I love it. So that's it. I'm just finished. This is the quickest one yet to do, unlike the Ryu one I had to do a few more times. So, anyways, story getting close to me taking a nap as soon as possible, and I'm done downloading this. I'll show you what other interesting actor artwork I'll do as soon as possible. You'll be quite amazed what I'll be planning next in crossover futures. You'll be thrilled to see them, just like I did for this crazy colorful rug. Thank you all for watching, and good night.